Simply the best cables. I have purchased multiple HD Retrovisions products. For older gaming consoles, these are the best hands down. I paired these with other products from HD Retrovision and I have had no issues whatsoever. These are simply male-to-male component cables, so they will connect anything that requires that connection type. But like I said, paired with their specialty gaming cables, nothing is better. Does exactly what you would want it to do with no issues. These are the best cables. I needed component cables for a switch box and Retrovision delivers on having high-quality cables. These cables are easy to plug in and have heavy shielding. I currently use this cable as a link between my component switch box and my component upscaler, Retrovision Pro. I was always a skeptic when it came to paying for expensive cables, because I never thought that it mattered. I was one who always used cheaper cables and never saw a lot of issues. When I purchased these cables, I was very satisfied with the quality and feel of them, as well as the output quality. These cables are made correctly and output a clean picture. They do not have a death grip on the component ports on my switch box or on my upscaler. Click link in description for more reviews.